Welcome to Tiny Heroes TV! Big adventures for little heroes. Wow!
Playing outside, what a day. Mud and grass all in my way. But now it's time to get so clean. Oh no, a bath? I'm not so keen. Dusty, muddy, sweaty too. Grime Gang's here to play with you. They love to stick, they love to hide. They want to stay right by your side. Here comes Bubbly, floating bright, turning bath time into light. Hop right in, the water's warm. Let's have fun and stop the storm. Scrubby, scrubby, rub-a-dub. Wash away the dirt and grub. Arms and legs and tummy too, making everything brand new. Splash and squeak, oh what a treat. Bath time makes you smell so sweet. Clean and fresh, hooray, hooray. Bath time's fun in every way. No more dirt, no more grime. Bath time's awesome every time. Splish, splash, hooray!
Thank you for watching Tiny Heroes TV! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures!